Today, we're suing Kentucky.
Today, we filed a petition.
Today, we reached an historic settlement.
Today, we sued university leaders and Governor DeSantis.
We're celebrating today because Ohio voters just showed up, and they voted to enshrine a right to reproductive freedom, including abortion, in their state constitution.
Children do not belong in prison. All of us, especially our children, deserve a chance to flourish and have access to opportunity.
Being able to walk across the stage wearing my eagle feather, it made me feel proud of myself, wearing it and knowing I honored my family.
A federal court in Arkansas blocked the nation's first law banning gender-affirming care for trans adolescents. This is a huge victory for trans youth, their parents, and their doctors, not only in Arkansas, but across the country.
On June 27, 2023, the Pregnant Workers Fairness Act, a landmark new federal law, goes into effect. The PWFA requires employers to grant workers the reasonable accommodations they may need during their pregnancies.
The Supreme Court today issued a landmark victory for tribal sovereignty by rejecting all of the constitutional challenges to the Indian Child Welfare Act, or ICWA. ICWA was legislation passed in 1978 that sought to ensure that Native families stayed together and that Native children were raised by tribal members.
Following an ACLU complaint filed against Alaska Airlines on behalf of a non-binary flight attendant, the company agreed in May to adopt a gender-inclusive uniform policy.
The Supreme Court ruled that Alabama's congressional map violated the Voting Rights Act by diluting the voting power of Black Alabamians. Alabama must redraw its map before elections in 2024 to include 2 districts in which Black voters form either a majority or close to it.
We'll be back tomorrow to keep fighting for fair maps.
And we'll keep fighting.
We will continue to fight.
We will not stop fighting.
And make clear that the provisions of the Constitution protect all of us.